So I'm making at least 5 or 6 pancakes, or maybe 10, we'll see. I'm using a jug to make my mixture. I've already added 2 eggs. And now I'm going to add milk. At least 250 ml. Then sugar, at least 5 spoons. Vanilla essence. We'll then give it a good mix. Baking powder. That's enough. Give it a good mix. Next, we are adding margarine. For this part, you can opt for butter if you have, but I don't have butter, and this just works the same as butter, so margarine. Enough in this case. I'll add a little more. Then also for the mixing, you can choose to use a whisk, but I prefer a fork or a spoon. Next, I'm adding my self-rising flour. For this, you can also use the all-purpose cooking flour. So 5 spoons of this, full to the brim. I'm adding more milk because I feel like it's so thick and I want it a little bit light. So since you're using 500 ml for this, so this is the consistency that I was going for. Normally, if I had time, I would let it rest for 10-30 minutes or maybe even more, depending on the day. But today, I'm in a hurry, so I'll have to cook this right away. And we are done. So in total, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pancakes. Super fluffy and yummy, and the aroma also is so sweet. Yeah, so that's my pancake recipe. So for my breakfast, I'm going to add 2 sausages, an orange, and black coffee. Yeah. And now my breakfast is ready. I decided to go with juice because thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the post notification, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, I'm planning to come back on doing the lives, so stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure you don't miss out on that.